Southwest Airlines is known as a top-tier airline carrier at the airport. So what happens when one airport passenger decides to risk everything at the airport? On July 7th, 2025, the Port of Seattle Police Department was called to the scene at the airport for reports of that passenger.
What happened?
So she was upset that, she touched her hand with her glove, with her dirty glove. And so she was upset. Shelly was trying to de-escalate. She proceeded to go to the back alley, starts arguing, and she's like, "You can't touch me." And she verbally assaulted her, so both assaults.
Well, the verbal just
Move, police, move, police, move!
Thank you, finally.
I know this guy. Relax. He's tied up. He's tied.
Oh, so he's zip tied. He's trying to.
He's tied. He can't go. He's tied. He got this. I know this guy.
Homie, you are
Dude, this
funny
is the
as
same
fuck.
subject from the Mount Mitch
Y'all are getting it. Okay,
Yeah, I'm good.
Jeremy. Y'all are done.
It's lasted.
Y'all are done.
I got him.
He's biting.
Let go of him.
I got him. He's trying to bite you.
I know. I got it.
He's trying to bite you.
He's zip tied, but he's trying to bite.
You got a spit hood?
Right here.
Give me an arm. Right arm's here.
He's zip tied though.
Okay, just hold on. I got it. We're locking in like this.
Just watch.
I got him.
Can we get you to take it down and see somebody else? He's on something for sure when I was talking to him earlier.
He's used to be saying not only
Back?
You want to go to the floor right here?
No, just leave him seated.
Okay.
You got Who's got scissors? Next hand. She's throwing him.
Arm back. Bring your arm back.
He's puking. Give him a second.
Oh, he's puking.
Y'all are right.
Hey, put your left hand.
Oh. Okay, help me bring his arm back. Ready?
I got his head. Is he zip tied to the seat?
Still, yeah.
Is he? I got.
Oh, yeah. I think he is.
Right there.
Put him in recovery. Go that way? Yeah, we'll lay him down towards here. Just get him in a recovery position.
Towards you.
Press. Yep.
Stop!
If you have A1 through 15, A1 through 15,
We're gonna scoot him my way. Just let him be.
you are allowed to start.
Hey! Stop! Does anybody have a
What happened?
Flipping out, dude. Flipping out. He hit her, and then pulled in the back up, and he fucking slapped the shit out of him. Then he bit me.
Probably his ID. I got his ID already. He's ID'd. Same guy. Guess we could get him outside. Yeah. Right. 1, 2, 3.
Coming back. Put this on him or no?
Probably not, because it's all his stuff.
Yeah.
That's all his.
Has someone taken a statement from you?
Not,
I'm not police, but I am talking to her. Okay.
do you need a?
Did he?
He hit me. He hit me twice, but I mean I'm fine. I didn't get hurt. But
Do you want to press charges?
Yep, I will be happy to do that as long as because that's not okay.
Okay. Let me give this wallet over to.
You're the one that got bit? Yeah. Okay. Let me. Okay.
Can I take a picture of that as well?
Yeah. I'm pretty.
Hey, you good?
Yeah.
Good.
The next one come at 10:30. She's a above doing supervisor. She called for law enforcement,
in the event, she kept calling, so I went upstairs. As I came out of the jet bridge, I see her in his face, and he literally in her face, and she's like, please get out of my face, please get out of my face. And he literally slapped her hand, then dropped back down to grab his stuff again. And as I'm like, sir, please back up. I didn't even touch him at first. I didn't touch him. Then he literally swings around with his hat, like a hat or a pillow, and hit her in her face. And I'm, sir, back up, back up. And he looks at me. He's like, you're pussy, types of words. And he's like, you're just like one of them. And then he literally spits on me. Okay. And
Just test it, guys. Ready? Here we go. Get that out there, Alright, come in there. You want to go that way?
Yeah.
Okay. You want to go
Put him
back
in butt
first?
first, yeah.
Somebody's going to have to hop in there, maybe. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, first. Hold on. Ow! Ow! Okay, here we go. Up. Ow! 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 Get on the side. Hey! Helmet. You're the worst people in the world. Hey, look at that.
I'll drive very gentle.
I think we're gonna try that same thing on the other side.
Yeah. Nasty.
It's like the vomiting was like through my throat.
Someone going with you? Yeah, Romain's gonna hold it for now. You good? Yep. You good? Good?
All suspects are innocent until proven guilty. Thank you for watching.